Eyemos Eye Comfort Mask is marketed as a reusable eye mask that claims to relieve eye strain, reduce puffiness, and promote relaxation through gentle warmth or cooling. The ads make it look like a simple solution for tired eyes, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, heated and cooling eye masks are a legitimate product category, and many people find them helpful for temporary comfort and relaxation. What it does well: soothes tired eyes. A warm or cool eye mask can provide temporary relief after long hours of screen time or reading. Comfortable to use. Most eye masks are lightweight and designed to fit comfortably over the eyes, where the hype falls apart. It's not a medical treatment. An eye mask won't cure chronic dry eye, vision problems, or underlying eye conditions. Relief is usually temporary. The soothing effects often last only for a short time after use. Results vary between users. Some people experience noticeable comfort, while others see little difference. So, should you buy the Eyemos Eye Comfort Mask? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for temporary eye comfort. If you want a reusable eye mask to help you relax or soothe tired eyes, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to treat medical eye conditions or permanently solve eye strain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.